Today I'm building a fire pit. Just don't ask me to build a fire. There are a ton of ways to build a fire pit, but per usual, I'm going with the easiest and cheapest option that won't burn up my dad's yard. If you don't care about burning up your yard, let me save you some time. All you need is wood plus gas plus match equals 911. Hi, I'd like to report a wildfire in my backyard. For the rest of us, this is what you're gonna need. A shovel, rake, level, wheelbarrow, 36 curved concrete blocks, and red lava rock. I picked up items earlier this week at Fleet Farm. And then drop them. Okay, so first you're gonna scope out a sweet spot for a bonfire. Be sure to look up the laws in your area to make sure you're maintaining a safe distance. At a minimum, I'd suggest staying away from your house, fence, and Sparky's memorial site. Remember, he asked for a burial, not a cremation. Next, you're gonna wheelbarrow your items to your chosen spot. Now, if you don't have a wheelbarrow, just walk over to your fence with a 6-pack and ask Tom if he wants to have a beer. 9 out of 10 times he'll finish the job, and the 6-pack. Then you're gonna lay down the first layer of stones. I'm using 12 in hopes of conjuring up Aaron Rodgers' spirit. Sorry, that got weird real fast. Just pick your favorite number 10 through 15 and make a circle, okay? Next, it's time to take your shovel and edge around the rock. Then you're going to remove the stones. Now I know what you're thinking. Why did I pick up and lay down these heavy stones just to pick up and remove them? And the answer is that sometimes in life you have to go through the hard times to appreciate the good times. Also, I'm not good at drawing circles. It's time to remove 2 to 3 inches of soil. Now this dirt patch was already here, but you're probably gonna have to dig up grass, so you're gonna have to work those muscles a little bit more. Also, we're on a little bit of a hill, so I'm gonna have to do about an extra inch or 2 on this side in order to make it level. Try to make it even by checking it with a level and adjusting with your shovel, rake, or extra COVID pounds. It definitely doesn't have to be perfect. And if you don't have a use for the excess dirt, try the old free dirt sign and don't let your neighbors say you never did anything for them. One man's dirt is another man's sweet potato. Next, you're gonna place down those stones again. This step may cause deja vu. All right, moment of truth. Will the 12th block fit? Good enough. From here, I'm gonna use a level and adjust the stones as needed. Here's where we're getting wild. We're laying down the second level of stones. Now the adjoining stones from the first level mark the center point for the second level of stones. Then we're repeating this with the third level because
only you can prevent forest fires.
I don't need that in my nightmares. Lastly, I'm adding 3 bags of lava rocks. And voila, I'm ready for you to start the inaugural fire. Okay, fine, I got you this time. But this s'more's for me. Luckily for you, there's some more. See what I did there? Oh my God. I'm done. Help, please.